Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Caleb, and in the last video we talked about what Bootstrap is. We talked about some of the basic features that comes handy in Bootstrap. We also talked about why you should learn Bootstrap, especially this year. Alright, in this video we're going to set up Bootstrap because we want to actually code, right? So in this video we're going to walk ourselves through how to set it up, how to download it, how to ensure that it's working just fine. What you guys are going to do is that go to your window and you create a new folder, and let's just give this folder, let's just name it, you can give it any name actually, so let's name it Bootstrap. All right, press enter. Yeah, this is the folder. Just open it. Now what you're going to do now is you go to your browser and you come to just type Bootstrap, download, Bootstrap download, and make sure that it is you're going to see you're going to see two links, right? Now make sure that you click the one for Bootstrap 5. Okay, this one is for the previous version, this one is for the latest version, this one is the one we are working with, this one is the amazing one, right? So make sure you click this one. So now there are different kind of ways you can set up Bootstrap in your project. Okay, there are different kind of ways. Now I'm going to explain or I'm going to walk you through two different ways. The first one is to download the compiled CSS and JS file, while the other one is to the other one I'm going to teach you is to use just the CDN. So let's start with the first one. Let's go click on download, and you're going to see this zip file. You can see that I have it here already, but for your sake guys, so we're going to start from scratch. So we'll save it, and once the file has been downloaded, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your downloads. This is the file over here guys. So what you do is, to make things easier, I would advise you just copy this zip file, just copy it. Okay, now go back to that Bootstrap folder that you created, open the folder, and let's delete this one. This one was the one I used, and you just come here and you paste it here. All right, so when you're done pasting it guys, what you should do is extract here. So this is the button, this is what you should click, right? So it's going to extract the file, it's going to give us a beautiful folder. So you open that folder. Now this is where you're going to, this is the main thing here. You see all this Bootstrap CSS utilities and all this stuff, and also here you're going to see the JS, that's the JavaScript. So here you just right click on the folder and you open with code, that's open with VS Code. So you click on this. Okay, we are not done with the setup yet. I actually have this created in my VS Code, so I'm just gonna delete this. Don't save. Yeah, so but for you guys, you're gonna see this empty you're gonna see this empty window on Visual Studio Code like this. Don't I'm sorry about that. That was the project I was working on. So what you're going to do now guys is you're going to come here and you create a new file. So click on this and you name the file whatever you want to name it, but for our case we're going to name it index.html, and you press enter. Now this is what we're talking about. So what you're going to press next on your keyboard, just hit on shift exclamation mark and you press enter. So it's going to generate this boiler code for you. So now what are we going to do? All right, so what you're going to do is right in this head tag over here below this meta tag, just write LINK and press enter. So the href, that means the I hope you guys understand, I'm sure you guys understand HTML. So the hyperlink reference that we're going to use here, so what you're going to write here is css/ bootstrap strap.css. That's basically all you need to put right there for now. All right, so in the JavaScript script tag, what we're going to do is write script and come down script source. Now the source is going to be js/bootstrap.js. that is what you need to know. Now we're going to test if this is actually working. Now this is the main setup you should do for this tutorial. This is the main setup. So we're going to check if what we've done is actually working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little bit of Bootstrap here. So I'm gonna have a class here. I'm gonna have class btn dash danger. I like danger, I don't know why. So this is not gonna do anything. All right, so just write it's worked. So let's save this. Now you're going to go back to your file. Yeah, the folder that you created, you're going to see this right there. So just open it. You can open this with any browser. For my case, I'm using Firefox. Okay, you can see that it actually worked. This is the Bootstrap. You can see how easy it is to actually do this. Now, this is a link. Right, yeah, this is a link, guys. But what I just did, I just turned this link to a button that can be clicked, and it's going to direct you to somewhere else to show that this is actually working. So I'm just going to do this real fast. So http this //www.google.com. We're going to save this, and we're going to come back to our browser. We'll refresh it, and we're going to click. So we're going to click it to see if this will actually work. So what do you guys think? Let's say 1, 2, go. Click. Look at it, google.com. You can see that this is actually a link, but we actually converted it into button. Now this is how beautiful Bootstrap is. I told you guys in the previous video that with Bootstrap, it makes your work easier. Now if you want to do this with normal CSS, what you're going to do is you're going to give it a background color, you're going to change the text color, you're going to make the color white, you're going to fix in some padding, you're going to add some what do you call it, border radius and all that, position it and all that. But with just Bootstrap, you just had this class, this little bit of class, after you've done actually adding this actually. So this little bit of class is generating this beautiful code. So that's just it, guys. Now in the next video, we are going to start the main Bootstrap tutorial. We're going to work with containers. You're going to see how things work. We're going to write code. We're going to write Bootstrap code, and I'm going to show you how easy and very simple it is to make use of all these utilities that comes with Bootstrap, all these Bootstrap classes, to create a powerful page. At the end of this series, guys, we're going to build a very massive project that you can place in your portfolio whatsoever. You can use it to, you can show anybody if you like. So make sure that you guys like the video, and I want you to share it. Make sure you share the video to people out there that are also interested in learning Bootstrap. This is going to be an amazing series, and make sure, the most important thing, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, guys, I said it in the last video, make sure that you throw your question in the comment section below. I'm going to attend to you as soon and as fast as possible. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.